Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the Little Nightmares 3 save game location. I'll show you guys where it saves. Just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive and open the users folder and double click on your username. If you don't have your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. And now select the view option and select show and check mark this hidden items, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and double click on local and find the Little Nightmares 3 folder. Double click on it, double click on saved, double click on save games folder, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Just back up before updating or switching to another PC, and then you can easily restore your save games there, guys. And I show you guys the config file location. To navigate that, go back to saved and double click on config, double click on Windows No Editor, and now right click on game user settings and select the edit in notepad. And this is where all your game settings will be, like graphics. Just change whatever graphic settings you want, and after changing it, select file and select save, and the settings will be saved in game, guys. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.